Alright, so here's where I'm at. These are the new stepper motors. This is the dual shaft 570 ounce stepper. But what I have to do now is make a handle for the backside. So I figure that's a great first project for this CNC mill when I get it completed. Let me show you a little bit what I'm talking about here. These right here I bought. They're smaller, you know, great for the lathe, but for the mill I want something bigger, a little beefier. I'm not going to knurl it, but what I'm going to do is I'm going to put indents for fingers. So when I'm turning it, I've got to turn half of it down for the set screw, and yeah, that should do the trick. So that's the project I'm working on now. Stay tuned. Alright, this is the design I made for the 3D print. The main design's not going to have this little cutout here. This is for a nut, essentially, for this here. This will help the plastic to go onto the handle as a temporary, not for the permanent. But clearly you see the design here. This is the handle, the main handle part for holding, turning. I thought about doing some more cutouts here to save material or to make it lighter, but I don't know, it seemed like I was already getting carried away as it was. So anyway, this is the final. We're shooting for here. Hey everybody. Well, let me show you what I got here. 3D printed version, aluminum version. Now, you can see some subtle differences here. This is threaded with an M4 set screw. This little scallop here is essentially what I'm going to shoot for when I have my CNC mill ready to go. This will be one of the first projects I'm going to do. This is the correct diameter for the stepper motor shaft. So I think we're pretty much good to go. I'm going to use 2 of these to start with until I can finish making these. Now, I've got to make one more, and I think what I might do is I might actually cut out more. You know, something like this to try to loosen, to lighten up the weight of this. I mean, hopefully you know I'm not talking about actually making it look horrible like that, but you know, symmetrically 3, you know, place slots that will take out some of the material to lighten this up. What I'm afraid of is too much weight on the stepper motor. I don't want to damage the bearings. I don't think it would happen right away, but over time, having a whole bunch of weight on this, it's just a concern. The other thing I'm contemplating on doing is putting a handle coming out, you know, drilling a hole here, have a handle sticking out, just like a round reverse tapered handle, you know, for cranking. But yeah, that's it. That's where we're at so far. I'm still waiting on power supply. The stepper motors came in, but once the power supply comes in, I can finally get this beast going. I'm going to print another one of these, and we're going to be good to go. All right, catch you later.